Yeah, so there is the volcano, and it's possible to walk all the way to the burning grass. And this is how volcano looks. It's a lot of smoke. See, it's still like a fish show. Yeah, it takes maybe 1 hour to walk here. And it's easily, you can fly drone from here. I can't do divers because I don't have internet on my phone to log into my account. So I'm filming with a phone which does not have internet, that's why. But I understood it. I can come here tomorrow or the day after tomorrow and film everything from above, make nice videos here, but not today, unfortunately, not today. And all I can say is that the Keflavik highway is safe because it's really far for the lava to reach it. But if volcano keeps erupting, it might reach the highway, airport highway, sooner or later if it erupts for a long time, or Grindavik Road. So this is how volcano looks. And very high fountains, impressive ones, and lots of grass fires all around. To see vegetation is burning all around. Smoke is going towards the ocean, so it's kind of safe to be here. See it. Possible to walk even further, all the way to the burning grass. Then you can't really walk through because of the smoke. But still impressive how close you can get. I didn't expect it to get. Anyway, I think I will be walking back, but it's a pity my drone is not working now. But tomorrow or the day after tomorrow should keep erupting. We'll see. I will be walking back now. All the best greetings from Iceland.